Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure both devices share the same Apple ID and are updated. This avoids sync errors. On your iPhone, open Wallet, add a card or pass, and complete any bank verification. This links payment credentials securely. Once done, enable wrist detection and a passcode on the watch. These steps permit Apple Pay and Wallet to work directly from the wrist. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are active so data transfers complete quickly and reliably. Now you move to the Watch app on your iPhone and choose Wallet and Apple Pay. This is where you control what appears on the watch. Tap Add beside each card or pass you need and follow any on-screen verification. Sometimes your bank requires a code or app confirmation. Once you see a confirmation, the item transfers to the watch and installs in the Wallet app. If a card stalls, remove and re-add it. This usually clears stalled provisioning. To pay or show a pass, double-click the side button. Your cards and tickets appear. Choose one by swiping. Hold the watch face close to the reader until you feel a tap and hear a beep. That confirms a successful transaction. To use transit or boarding passes, open Wallet and tap the relevant pass before tapping the reader. If something goes wrong, make sure the watch is unlocked with wrist detection on, check the card's active status in the iPhone Wallet, and restart both devices.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.